Okay, number 12, 13, 14, we want to make a function rule, okay, which is y equal mx plus b that represents this, okay? So, what you did last year is you did x minus x on the left and y minus y on the right, and you did these carets like this. See a lot of y'all doing this already. And then you did x minus x and y minus y. And if you do x minus x, you always get 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then you do it over here. Okay? You just need one pair of these to get your slope. So my slope is y minus y over x minus x. My slope is going to be 1 over 1, which is 1, isn't it? Okay? Now then, continue this graph up. I need my b equals, right? My b is my y-intercept. The y-intercept's not in this table, but 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this would be 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this would be 0. This number right here is your b because the zero's to the left. So if you have a 0 to the left of a number, that's your b. So I know my b is equal to 0, isn't it? Okay? Okay, so my equation would be y equals 1x plus 0, and technically I don't need the 1 or the 0, so it would just be y equals x. Okay? Okay, over here, let's do this one. So I'm going to put my carets, and I'm going to subtract these. These are real easy. This will be my x minus x, and this will be my y minus y. This is kind of what you did last year. Just look at your work. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. Down here, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1, right? I just need one pair of these. Actually, you only need to do one pair. You don't have to do the whole table. My slope is going to be y minus y over x minus m, or x minus x, so my slope's going to be 1 over 1, right? I put this number on top, that number on bottom. 1 over 1 is equal to 1. So I know my slope is 1. Now then remember, your y-intercept has the 0 and the x. Here's my 0, and it's matched to what? The 2. That's going to be my b. So I know my b is equal to 2. Okay, so if I write down y equals mx plus b, I could get y equals 1x plus 2, and I don't need the 1, so y equals x plus 2. That's my function rule. Okay, let's go over here. And this time I'm only going to do one caret. So I'm going to get my caret here and my caret here. 2 minus 1 is 1. That's going to be my x minus x. My y minus y, 3 minus a negative 1, is going to be 4 in it. The difference between these two numbers is 4 in it. My slope is going to be 4 over 1 in it. So m equals 4 over 1. That's going to be 4 in it. Now then, does this table have a 0? It doesn't have a 0, so I can put a 0 here, right? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then 15. What am I doing to go to here? I'm subtracting 4, right? I'm subtracting 4, I'm subtracting 4, I'm subtracting 4, and if I subtract 4 here, I'll get the negative 5, won't I? This is one way you could get your b. So this right here is going to be my b in it. So my b is equal to 5, or negative 5. If you can't form a pattern, then you do this. You write down y equal mx plus b, and you pick a point. So I'm going to pick this point right here and make my x2 and my y3. Okay, so my x is 2 and my y is 3. I'm going to get this negative 5 using this, okay? So I'm going to replace the y with 3, and I can pick any point I want. My m is 4. Parentheses, my x is 2, and I do not know what b is yet, do I? So I'm going to get 3 equals 8 plus b. I'm going to move over the 8, and I'm going to get negative 5 equals b, which is exactly what I got with the table, isn't it? Okay, so my equation is going to be y equal mx plus b. I'm going to replace the m with 4, and I'm going to replace the b with minus 5, and that's my equation. So you could get this b by using the pattern in the table, or you could do the mx plus b and pick any one of these points and plug it in and get the answer. That'll give you the b. You need the m and the b from the table to get the equation.